Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix intelppm.sys blue screen error on Windows 10 or 11. So firstly click on start. Now type here regedit. Now right click on it and run as administrator. Now first thing guys, you have to backup this registry editor. So file and export, select all and save this file to your desired destination. And if something went wrong, so you can backup your registry editor by clicking file and import. Now let's start to resolve this issue. So first thing, now here guys, expand HK local machine, then system, then expand current control set. So expand current control set. Now expand services. Now here guys, you have to find out Intel ppm, this one. So double click on it. Now here you will see value start. So right click on it and modify. If you see any number, so remove that number and enter the number 4. Then click on OK. Now guys, close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve Intel ppm.sys blue screen error on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this method work for you or not.